You are going to love the 2016 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.